My friend Lucy has been working as a full-time social worker for nearly 2 years. Today we visited an elderly home together. We chatted with some of the residents. One of them talked about his life in the mainland, which was very interesting.
I was born in 1937 to a farmer's family in Guangdong. I lived in the village where I was born for more than 40 years. Then I came to Hong Kong in 1988. While I was in China, there were several big movements that were to have a great impact on China's future development.
Oh, really?
Yes. For example, the open door policy that began in 1978. After that, the economy started to pick up as there were earnings from trade with other countries. We could then buy imported goods, although there weren't many to choose from, and they were very expensive.
Was this related to globalization?
I don't know. However, I worked for an overseas company until 1986. My wages were much higher than what local companies offered.
The Chinese economy has grown strongly since the 1980s, thanks to the efforts of you and all the Chinese people. You must be very proud.
Oh, yes. I just wanted to contribute to my home country as much as I could. I am just so happy that China has finally evolved to become one of the leading powers in the world.
Question 1. How did China's open door policy affect its volume of imports and exports? Question 2. Do you think globalization contributed to China's economic growth after the 1980s?